To thread the HQ Fusion, we'll go ahead and place our thread on the thread post. Now you'll see that there's a thread post here and there's another thread post over here. You can use both of those if you want to put two different threads together through the needle. But we're just going to thread it through this one. If you do thread it through both, you'll come up and then all of the thread will thread here. Okay? But we'll go ahead and place this here up through the eyelet. You make sure that eyelet is right straight over the top of the thread, the cone of thread. Then through our first thread guide, and it just slides under there, and through the second thread guide. The next is to thread it through the 3-hole thread guide from the back of the machine to the front. So we'll go through the top hole, thread it again, through the middle hole, and then through the bottom hole. Now through the next thread guide, and then holding on to it, I'm going to floss it inside of these tension discs. So it has to go inside and around, and I'm going to snap it in. Okay, so it has to be inside of that. Then I'm going to catch the tension spring underneath the stirrup, and then I can pull that thread up there. From there, I'm going to the take-up lever, thread it through there, then down to the last thread guide on the machine, from the front to the back, and it just winds right through there. The last guide is the needle bar clamp. There's a hole right there, and we thread it through that. Thread it at an angle, and it'll go right through that, and then through the eye of the needle. And there we go. It's all threaded. Now it's time to test our